Well, if a sound will make a pattern on film, a pattern on film will make a sound. But what would they sound like? The sound of any of these patterns of lines can be calculated. The size controls the loudness. A row of small marks would sound like this. Now, what can they be used for, these hand-drawn sounds? Well,
The Svnth
finds that they are a perfectly natural accompaniment to some of his hand-drawn motion pictures. And now he's going to hear them for the first time.